Del here, continuing our tradition of food evaling cookies right out of the oven, and we've got these Pillsbury Lucky Charms with the marshmallow bits. They're a little bit high in saturated fat, but that's about the only thing. And they're what they call RTE manufactured. RTE is like a cold cereal. It stands for ready to eat, versus as opposed to the hot cereals. Well, these are got the RTE kind of thing here, and so you preheat the oven. You put them in and bake them. We using the tin foil liner, and without further rhetoric, I'll get in and try one out. No, I didn't get the whole one, but
maybe we gotta let them sit for a little bit more.
Maybe. That's a fun cookie. Lucky Charms with all of the
marshmallow
and the marshmallow tips. So
maybe we'll have to come back to it.
yeah, we're not. There it is. I just took chips out of two. Might have to let the cookies cool off a little bit more, but I like them hot out of the oven. So
if you use a spoon, maybe you could do something like that.
I have to spoon them, folks. Life is getting complicated here. I'm gonna take another try at this because I don't like these complicated ways of there. Yeah, I think that they're gonna probably have to wait a little bit.
Kind of like a hot cookie.
Yeah. Maybe with like a spoon or you can see where some of it's sticking. Like a spoon or a spatula or something. You can get more of the cookie. So as previously stated, this is a fun cookie with all the colors of the marshmallow bits and everything, and it's kind of neat. No problems with this one. Here's the package again.